crazy buck wild.
I think it's pretty fast.
I drink milk.
This shit looking like a car again. Damn. So, what's the plan, Mike?
Put the 5 Ziggins on it. And then test drive it without a windshield.
Yup. Oh yeah, that's okay. We don't need to worry about that. It's a warm night, Mike.
Yeah, you're right.
Just the first gear pull.
The most hard gear to...
Yeah.
Okay.
It's been good for a while, but now it's shot. Oh, there we go. There's the focus.
By the way, this thing does, it sounds ridiculous. Actually crazy buck wild.
Wow. This thing's ready to roll now. Minus the windshield. It's on fire. I'm getting the zigging wheels on. Garbage wheels. Wow. Look at all that car under there. Wow.
There's some car.
Oh yes. Damn, look at them Federal 492s.
Did you know that the Lamborghini Gallardo V10 is loosely based off of the Triton V10 from Ford?
That's unfortunate. Loosely. Does it have issues?
No.
Like
No.
spark plugs. Ah!
My sister's on his way to his house and we have to take this ride and dip.
Started up. What's it got, stuntman?
All fluid good and everything. I saw the video.
Ready?
Yeah. Does AFR work? AF, air fuel?
16, 17, 18.
Yikes.
It's idling
Yeah, that's true.
on a stock ECU.
Should give it a flip and throttle and see what it does. Oh yeah. Yeah. What was that?
It's fucking fuel!
That might be oil. There we go.
It's running a lot worse right now.
Really? Well, it's also still cold. Close the hood, I guess. Close the hood. Let it warm up. What I test?
You don't even notice, honestly. It's gonna take probably a while because the fan's always going.
Nah, it'll warm up like before the thermostat opens. It's not gonna, you know, it'll warm up normal.
Yeah, it's also only been like 3 minutes.
Do I have a seatbelt? Oh, nice. That's not what we want. Oh yeah, imagine. Oh my god, imagine a fucking deer with no windshield.
I think it's pretty fast.
From outside, it looks like it fucking moves.
It does move.
Anyone else want to try it?
I'll take a rain check until it warms up. Please my ass off in here.
This is not gonna warm you up.
No, it definitely doesn't.
Opposite.
Dude, this thing fucking hauls.
Where the headlights? Yeah.
Yeah, headlights.
Gotta get this covered better.
Fuck that harness. Oh yeah, he's got the intercooler down there. All the shit. Damn! That thing fucking rips!
That shit moving.
That shit does boogie.